Hello, our lovely students. Welcome back to the Chill English channel. We're so happy you're here with us today.
Hey friends, today we're starting a new topic that helps you every time you travel. We will practice English at the hotel.
Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Your support really helps us continue making simple lessons.
Yes, thank you so much. Now, let's focus on the first moments when you walk into a hotel. The receptionist usually greets you politely.
They may say, "Hello, how can I help you?" This is a very common question. You will hear it in almost every hotel.
And you can answer with something simple like, "I have a reservation." Or you can say, "I'd like to check in, please."
Let's practice these sentences together. Repeat after us. I have a reservation. Great. Now repeat, I'd like to check in, please.
Good job. After that, the receptionist may need some information from you. They might ask for your name or your document.
They may say, "What is your name?" or "Can I see your passport?" These questions help them find your booking quickly.
You can answer with, "The reservation is under my name." Or you can say, "Here is my passport." Keep the sentences clear and polite.
Let's practice. Repeat after us. The reservation is under my name. Good. Now repeat, here is my passport.
After they find your booking, they will give you details about your room. They might say, "Your room is on the second floor."
Or they could say, "Your room number is 208. These short sentences help you understand where to go next.
When you hear this, you can answer with something simple like, "Thank you." Polite reactions make communication much easier.
The receptionist may also give you information about hotel services. For example, they may say, "Breakfast is served downstairs."
Or, "The elevator is on your left." These small directions help you feel comfortable when exploring the hotel.
If you need help finding something, you can ask, "Where is the elevator?" Or you can say, "Where is the dining room?"
Let's practice these. Repeat after us. Where is the elevator? Great. Now repeat, where is the dining room?
Sometimes you may need help with your bags. You can say, "Can you help me with my luggage?" It's a common and polite request.
Let's try that together. Repeat after me. Can you help me with my luggage? Very nice. This sentence is helpful when you arrive tired.
Another useful question is, what time is checkout? This helps you know when you must leave the room on your last day.
And you can also ask, what time is breakfast? Breakfast times are different in every hotel, so this question is very practical.
Let's practice both. Repeat after us. What time is checkout? Now repeat, what time is breakfast?
Great job! And during your stay, you may need extra items. You can say, "Can I have more towels if you need fresh ones?"
Or, "Can I get an extra pillow?" These small requests help you feel more comfortable in your room.
Let's practice. Repeat after me. Can I have more towels? Good. Now say, "Can I get an extra pillow?" Excellent.
If something in your room doesn't work, it's okay to tell the staff. You can say, "The air conditioner is not working."
Or you can say, "There is a problem with the shower." These sentences help hotel staff fix the issue quickly.
Let's practice these together. Repeat after us. The air conditioner is not working. And now, there is a problem with the shower.
Nice work. And many travelers ask about internet service. You can say, "Do you have free Wi-Fi?" This is a very common question.
You can also say, "What is the Wi-Fi password?" Hotels usually have simple passwords printed on a small card or paper.
Let's practice those too. Repeat after me. Do you have free Wi-Fi? Great! Now repeat, what is the Wi-Fi password?
These sentences make your hotel experience easier. When you use them, you sound clear, polite, and confident with your English.
And now that you can check in, ask questions, and make requests, let's explore more useful phrases that help during your stay. All right now, let's keep practicing useful hotel phrases that help you feel calm and confident during your stay.
Many travelers need help when they want to change something about their room. For example, You can say, "Can I change my room?" if the room is too noisy or too small.
Yes, and you can add simple reasons. You can say, "It is too noisy," or "It is too bright at night." Clear sentences help hotel staff understand your needs.
Let's practice. Repeat after us. Can I change my room? Great. Now repeat. It is too noisy. Nice and calm. Good rhythm.
Sometimes the problem is not the room itself, but something inside it. Maybe the lights are not working, or the TV has no sound.
In that case, you can say, "The lights are not working," or "The TV has no sound." These phrases help the staff fix things quickly.
Let's practice these together. Repeat after me. The lights are not working. Now repeat. The TV has no sound. Good job.
You may also want to ask about hotel services like the gym, the pool, or the laundry room. These questions are simple but very helpful.
For example, you can say, "Where is the gym?" Or you can ask, "What time does the pool open?" These questions are easy to understand.
Let's practice. Repeat after us. Where is the gym? Great. Now say, what time does the pool open? Nice and smooth.
Another useful phrase is there a laundry room? This is helpful when you stay at a hotel for several days or longer.
Or you can ask, can you wash my clothes? Many hotels offer laundry services, and the staff can explain the process.
Let's practice. Repeat after me. Is there a laundry room? Good. Now repeat, can you wash my clothes? Very clear.
Now let's talk about booking tours or transportation. Many hotels can help you with taxis, buses, or local activities.
You can ask, can you call a taxi for me? This is a very common sentence, and hotel staff can do this quickly for you.
Or you can say, how can I get to the city center? This question helps you learn the easiest way to travel around the area.
Let's practice these. Repeat after me. Can you call a taxi for me? Great. Now repeat, how can I get to the city center?
You might also want to ask about safety. For example, you can say, is this area safe? Many travelers ask this at new destinations.
And you can ask, can you recommend a safe place to walk? Staff members know the area well and can guide you.
Let's practice. Repeat after us. Is this area safe? Now repeat, can you recommend a safe place to walk? Good work.
Another important part of your hotel stay is using the phone to contact reception. The hotel usually has a special button for this.
You can say, how do I call reception? If you are not sure which button or number to press on the phone in your room.
Or if you need help quickly, you can say, I need assistance, please. This sentence is short, clear, and very polite.
Let's practice these together. Repeat after us. How do I call reception? Great. Now say, I need assistance, please.
You may also want to ask about food services. Many hotels have room service, and you can order meals directly to your room.
You can ask, do you have room service? And if they do, you can continue with, can I see the room service menu?
Let's practice. Repeat after me. Do you have room service? Now repeat, can I see the room service menu?
If you want something simple, like water or tea, you can say, can I get a bottle of water? Or, can I have some hot tea?
These small requests are very common, and hotel staff are happy to bring them to your room.
Let's practice again. Repeat after us. Can I get a bottle of water? Good. Now repeat, can I have some hot tea?
Wonderful. Now let's talk about asking for directions inside the hotel. Sometimes hotels are big and confusing.
You can say, how do I get to the lobby? Or, where is the nearest exit? These questions help you move around safely.
Let's practice. Repeat after me. How do I get to the lobby? Nice. Now repeat. Where is the nearest exit?
And if you want to leave your bags after checking out, you can ask, "Can I leave my luggage here?" This is very useful during travel.
Many hotels allow you to leave your bags so you can explore the city without carrying heavy items.
Let's practice. Repeat after us. Can I leave my luggage here? Great work. Those are very helpful phrases.
You're doing an amazing job practicing all these hotel expressions. There are still a few more phrases that can make your stay easier, so let's continue exploring them together.
All right, listeners. Now we'll explore more hotel English for confident travel.
We've already learned check-in, room requests, and simple questions. Now we focus on facilities and daily services.
You can ask, "Where is the gym?" This short sentence helps you find the fitness area easily.
Another useful phrase is, what time does the pool open? Hotels often have different schedules.
You can also ask, "What time does the pool close?" This tells you when to plan your swim.
Repeat after me. Where is the gym? Good. Now say, what time does the pool open? Very clear.
And practice, "What time does the pool close?" These sentences are short, easy, and polite.
If you need laundry, ask, do you have a laundry room? Many travelers use this service daily.
Or you can say, "Is laundry service available?" Some hotels do laundry for a small fee.
Repeat after me. Do you have a laundry room? Good. Now, is laundry service available? Excellent.
Another question is about breakfast. You can ask, "What time is breakfast?" to avoid missing it.
And if you want details, say, is breakfast included? This helps you plan your budget and meals.
Short questions like this are very useful. They give you key information quickly.
For checking out, you can say, I'd like to check out, please. Polite and simple for everyone.
Another helpful sentence is, "Can I leave my bags here?" Hotels often allow storage after checkout.
Repeat with me. I'd like to check out, please. Good. Now, can I leave my bags here? Excellent.
If you want to pay with a card, ask, "Can I pay by card?" Staff will understand immediately.
And if paying cash, you can say, do you have change for this? Very polite and useful.
Let's practice these. Can I pay by card? Good. Now, do you have change for this? Perfect.
After your stay, it's polite to thank staff. You can say, thank you for your help. Short and friendly.
Or, "I really enjoyed my stay." These sentences show respect and make your visit positive.
Repeat after me. Thank you for your help. Excellent. Now, I really enjoyed my stay. Very nice.
Sometimes you may want a taxi. You can ask, "Can you call a taxi for me?" This is very common.
Or, how can I get to the city center? Staff know the local area and can give clear directions.
Let's practice these. Can you call a taxi for me? Good. Now, how can I get to the city center?
If you want special help, you can say, I need assistance, please. Short, polite, and clear.
And when using the phone, ask, "How do I call reception?" Hotels often have a special button.
Repeat after me. I need assistance, please. Good. Now, how do I call reception? Perfect.
You can also ask about food. "Do you have room service?" is a short sentence that works every time.
And, can I see the room service menu is the next step if they answer yes.
Let's practice. Do you have room service? Good. Now, can I see the room service menu? Excellent.
For small requests, try, can I get a bottle of water? Or, can I have some hot tea? Very polite.
Repeat together. Can I get a bottle of water? Now, can I have some hot tea? Nice work.
Remember, short sentences and calm speaking help staff understand you better.
And now, let's do a little challenge. Use 3 phrases from today's lesson in real life or in practice.
Write them in the comments if you like. We'd love to see what you practice.
And don't forget to subscribe to the Chill English channel. Your support helps us make more lessons.
Keep practicing these hotel phrases. The more you use them, the easier it becomes to speak confidently.
You're doing amazing. Keep repeating, keep speaking, and enjoy your next hotel stay with confidence.